That is a rowdy saw, man. Now that's obviously not cedar, that is oak. This log came from my videos a year and a half ago where I pulled some oak out of a backyard of a friend of mine from high school, and she's asked for a couple of slabs to build a table out of, so I'm going to take this 5-foot or so chunk home and mill it into some slabs for a table. But that thing just cut through it like it was cedar. Man, that's impressive. Well, that was fun, as getting these small pieces situated on the mill often is. We're just over 5 feet long here, 23.5 inches across, just over 22 on the other end. I'm looking for 2 slabs that can be book matched together for a tabletop, probably 2.5 inches thick, and then 1 slab about 14 inches wide for a live edge shelf. So I'm just going to start slabbing this thing down, and it looks pretty ugly sitting there, but let's see what's inside of it. Little bit of spalting on the edges. That's a nice little bonus. Just about maxed out the sawmill there. I think I'm going to buzz up, take the live edge off of both of these sides, and that way they can book match and they'll have just about a 4-foot wide table. Nice. That spalting is, it's really going to look good. Okay, this is still the same bimetal blade I've been using forever. You got to take a look at how good this thing's cutting. I mean, that is smooth. It's like the Bic Flex. That'll just need a light sanding. Well, I've got the 3 slabs that my friend is looking for. I think I'm going to slab the rest of this out into 1.5-inch thick boards and just set them aside for some future project or something that somebody might be looking for down the road. Now I had an idea right at the last minute there that maybe they would want to use some of this material for the legs of the table that they're going to build. So I've milled up these cants here. The grain is a little wavy in it. I don't know if it'll end up being usable for legs, but well, if not, there's some more lumber for something. Well, I'm gonna get these slabs back up on the deck one at a time and cut the one live edge off so that they can be book matched together, and cut the shelf to width, and that should pretty much wrap up this little project. Well, again, this is for a friend of mine from high school. We have our 30th high school reunion coming up this summer. It's unreal. 30 years. What the heck? Anyway, they were hoping for a 48-inch wide table. We're 43 to 45 inches. I think that'll probably work, but I'm going to stack these up and send them some pictures. And I appreciate you guys watching again. We're almost to the end of the month, so if you've got questions for my my Q&A video I'm making next week, please get them in, comment below in this video, and be looking for that video early in March.